You know, they wanted me to tell them all about Frank Smith, so I told them everything I knew.
Oh, yeah. I know. I knew you'd have to do that.
I was so scared. I thought that I was never going to see you again.
Come on, you can't get rid of me that easy.
Oh, look, I'm so glad you're home.
Home, yeah. Well, we're safe, okay? We're as safe as we can be. Nobody, including Frank Smith, is ever going to hurt us again, Barbara Jean.
Barbara Jean. It's been months since anybody's called me that.
Well, you better get ready, girl. I'm about to Barbara Jean you to death.
Well, that's good because I've missed it.
Yeah, you'll get sick of it again, I promise.
It was really awful for you and for Laura, wasn't it?
Awful? Come on, do I look hassled?
Where is she? I haven't seen her around since earlier this afternoon.
I don't know. I guess she's probably with her husband. That's where all good, faithful wives should be. Listen, did I tell you that I learned how to milk a cow?
You did what?
I milked a cow. Bessie. Her name was Bessie May. We developed a very intimate relationship. She loved my singing.
Oh, you sang to a cow.
And to chickens. Mm-hmm. And I learned to square dance. I'm going to teach you. Oh, Alaman left your old left hand. I'm telling you, we had such a good time square dancing. I'm going to teach you how to do it. It's such a kick. We're going to open a Western club here in Port Charles. What do you think about that?
Sounds like your best memories were there on the farm with...
The Whitakers.
I heard Laura was a brunette all summer.
Yeah.
Luke, were you and Laura...
Listen, I didn't tell you about the gold. The best part, the gold. Big Brother found all these millions of dollars worth of gold bars right in this fountain in Fair Oaks. And I'm telling you, I couldn't believe it. It was the most beautiful sight. When they tell you, you know, that the paths of heaven are paved with gold, I know what they're talking about now.
Luke.
It was something for a rotten kid from the slums to see, Barbara.
Luke. Are you and Laura lovers?
What is this concern about Laura?
Okay. Tell me about the farm, and tell me all about the place where you stayed.
It was this big, beautiful farmhouse way out in the country. It was beautiful, Barbara. It was great. They had a big kitchen, you know, a big family kitchen where all the family could come together for breakfast. And upstairs there were the bedrooms. We had the best bedroom of the whole house because it had this big bed, and it had these homemade quilts and all these pillows. And we took this clothesline and we stretched it across the room. We put a blanket over it. And Laura called it the blanket of Jericho, the wall of Jericho, because she saw it in an old movie. She said she saw it in a movie. I don't know if she saw it in a movie or not.
Oh, I think she did. I saw the same movie once on The Late Show.
I'll never forget that room. And I'll never forget that wall.
Luke.
What would we do without old movies, Barbara Jean?
Lucas Lorenzo. Why is Laura with Scotty?
Because that's where she wants to be. What do we care, huh?